we're giving you a different view on some of the close kinetic chain exercises that we showed earlier. From a therapist standpoint, when you're watching your clients, either the head of the shuttle or the base of the shuttle is a good perspective to look from. What you're going to be looking for is the alignment of the lower leg as she's going through the exercises. So if we draw a plumb line down the center of Amy's body, we're going to be watching where the position of her leg is in relation to that plumb line, and just using our cues to avoid the dangerous positions, especially for our women athletes, which is a combination of internal rotation and adduction, which is going to produce a valgus stress through the leg and stress knee structures such as the ACL, the medial meniscus. All the way down into the foot, you're going to be starting to stress posterior tib and also shearing through the Achilles tendon. So from this perspective, you want to cue, usually for sport-specific stance. For some of your basketball players, volleyball players, they typically are on that wider sport-specific stance, so you're going to want to cue those athletes to keep their feet a little bit further out, maybe a slightly wider than shoulder width stance. For your runners, their stance is a little bit more narrow. They're more hip width apart, which is usually about 6 to 8 inches. And again, you're cueing the knees to stay directly over the ankles. So let's go ahead and do just a slow press out, keeping the alignment of that hip width apart. Good. Amy, on the next rotation, let's go ahead and show one wrong. You want to watch this, especially as you get into the higher dynamic exercises during the concentric or plyometric phase, as well as the landing phase and the eccentric. Let's go ahead and do, keeping the good alignment, let's go ahead and do a light plyometric, so push up. Good. Good, and let's do it once wrong. There you go. As she came down, you could see her come right into that valgus position.